Welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to talk about loan repayment. So I'm going to define what a loan is, and also I'm going to tell you I'm going to share with you some facts you need to consider when getting a loan and where you can go to get a loan, as well as how you can pay the loan. And also I'm going to help you understand the loan schedule, which is shared by most lending institutions, so that you can understand when we talk about a loan and loan repayment, so that you can have knowledge on what to consider and how loans are repaid. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to define what a loan is. So a loan is money given to someone mainly to use to generate profit or to solve serious problems. Okay, so you can have an idea of a business, but you don't have funds. Then the lending institution will come in, give you money in order for you to fulfill your dream or your plan. So when they give you that money, they expect you to return that money bit by bit, or it can be that they will ask you to pay at once. Then they also ask you to pay with an interest. So don't just think that they'll give you money and then they don't ask for it back. They will ask for it back, and then they also give you a task to put on top some money, which comes in form of interest. So when you are given the money to start the business, you invest in the business, you start generating profit. It's more or less like the profit you're generating, you're also sharing with the lending institution, the company that gave you the money. Okay, and sometimes it's not that you want to invest into your business. Let's say maybe you have got a problem, which is maybe you don't have shelter, and then you don't have enough money to buy your own shelter. And if you get the money from your business, you buy a shelter, that means your business will go bankrupt. That means the company as an entity won't have money to lend. So when you have such a problem, you can go for a loan and buy a house. Then you stop paying for the rentals and you stop worrying, and then you work freely and extra hard. Then you make money and you pay back. Sometimes it can be healthy that you are not okay, then you are sick, then you need maybe surgery. Then you can go and borrow money, so that when you become fit, you can work well and make a lot of money. So these are certain instances that will lead you to get a loan. Now, you do not need to get a loan in order to buy clothes, or you do not need to get a loan in order to buy a vehicle just to impress the neighbors. You don't have to do that. Like I said earlier on, it's either to invest in the business, or you have a serious problem which you want to solve, which is hindering your performance. Then you can go for a loan. Okay, now in the previous video I talked about simple interest and the compound interest. So if there is a bank or an institution that is offering a loan using simple interest, you go for the one that is offering simple interest, and you forget about the compound interest. Institutions that are offering compound interest, you don't go for them. Go for the one which has simple interest, if there is any. Okay, so those are the things you need to consider when you are thinking about a loan. Okay, now let's go to a certain scenario. Okay, this is the scenario we have. It's about loan repayment. So this is the loan schedule I got from Helping Hand. Helping Hand is offering loans to people who need loans, and this is their schedule. Okay, as you can see, there is principal there on top, where there is when you get 2,000, you can get 4,000, you can get 6,000, you can get 8,000, and you can also get 10,000. The list goes on up to bigger amounts. So I just quoted this one so that I use it for an example. Okay, then the payment can be made in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 15 months, 18 months, 30 months, as well as 60 months. So other months in between I have just also removed them. Now this is the loan schedule for this institution, which is Helping Hand. Okay, so if it is offering loans with these payment schedule, with these payment schedules which are different, can be 3 months. Okay, so that means when you get a loan, you choose which the number of months that are comfortable for you to repay. So for instance, if I go and get 2,000, if I choose to repay it in 3 months, that means I'll be paying 824 kwacha per month. So I'll pay it in 3. I'll be paying every month 824 for 3 months. Okay, so I will just pick the one which is convenient for me, and then I start repaying. Okay, now you can see that if someone gets a loan which has got longer period of repaying, even the money you pay, the installment is smaller. The shorter the period, the bigger the installment. Okay, now let's go to the questions. Question 1. Esther got a loan from Helping Hand of 6,000 to repay in 3 months. How much will she be paying every month? Esther got a loan from Helping Hand of 6,000 to repay in 3 months. How much will she be paying every month? Okay, so what we're going to do, first we're going to go the amount. We're going to go to the amount she got, which is that 6,000. That's what she got. She got 6,000, and then she will be repaying that money in 3 months. She will repay that money in 3 months. So when we look at the money she got and the months given, so if we are to draw straight lines, where will these lines meet? Okay, so the lines will meet where there is 2,282. So she will be paying 2,282 kwacha every month. After she gets 6,000, she will be repaying 2,282 kwacha. Okay, that will be a monthly installment. Okay, now let's go to question 2. Emmanuel got a loan of 10,000 to repay in 60 months. How much interest will he pay at the end of the 60 months? Okay, so Emmanuel got the loan of 10,000, which he's going to pay in 60 months, and how much interest is he going to pay at the end of 60 months? Okay, so what we're going to do, we are going to find where there is 10,000. So 10,000 is there, and the period of paying is 60 months, which is there, and then the amount you'll be paying is there down. So what we're going to do, we're going to multiply the amount he's going to be paying, multiplied by the number of installments is going to make, the number of months is going to pay. So when we can write 634 multiplied by 60, which will give us the answer, which is 38,040 kwacha. So it's going to pay all together with the principal as well as the interest, is going to pay all the money together will be 38,040 kwacha. So to find the interest, what we're going to do, we are going to subtract the money he paid. We are going to subtract the money he got from the money he paid. We are going to subtract the money he paid. We are going to subtract the money he got from the money he paid. So the money he paid is 38,040 kwacha, and then the money he got is this one, 10,000, the one I've circled right there, 10,000, which he got, which we are going to subtract from 38,000. then we are going to find the difference. So 38,040 kwacha minus 10,000 kwacha will give us 28,040 kwacha. So this is the interest Emmanuel paid, Ozi. This is the interest Emmanuel paid, which is 28,040 kwacha. 28,040 kwacha. This is the interest he paid. Now, this is why you need to make sure that when you're getting a loan, you make sure that the reason you're getting a loan is serious, or you want to invest in something, so that when you get a loan, you start running a business, it starts generating money for you, so that the money you are paying back is coming from the business. Even if you are a worker, you are a civil servant, you work somewhere, they'll be getting from your salary. It's better you invest it into a business whereby when they are deducting, then the business is paying back. It doesn't matter whether the money you are making is just the same as the money they are deducting or a bit less. As long as that money is making profit and is not being used up, then it's fine. Because at the end of 5 years, that means the loan will end, but your capital will be there. So you need to get money to invest into a business. Unless you have a serious problem which you really need to solve, or you cannot do well with that problem, then you need to really eliminate it, then you can get a loan. Okay? Otherwise, you need to be conscious about this thing of getting loans, because sometimes if it's misused, look at how much the interest the bank will get, almost 28,040 kwacha. Okay, now let's go to question 3. Question 3 is, if Regina was paying 959 kwacha for 12 months to pay off the loan completely, how much did Regina get? How much did Regina get? Okay, so let's look for this amount, which is 959, and it's for 12 months. So we are going to go where there are 12 months, then we look for this amount. So this amount is here where I've circled, that is 959. Then it's under 12 months. Okay, so how much did Regina get? So you can see 959 is in that red line, so that red line is going to 8,000. So that means Regina got 80,000. So the money Regina got was 80,000 kwacha. 8,000 kwacha. That's the money he got. So basically, this is what you need to understand about loan payment. If you go somewhere to get a loan, the most important thing you need to know is, first know the interest rate they are offering, and then to see their schedule. Okay, and then come back, make calculations, see how much money you can lose, and then make a decision whether, if that money is invested in the business, can it really generate profit that can cover up for the deduction they will be making, or for the installment. So you need to make that decision. Thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning zed-Mathematics. The future is bright. God bless you. See you in the next video.